Holy cow, here comes Sumtail. He's my first friend. Hey, Sumtail. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I gotta get that away from you. You are a crazy friend. Holy cow. Holy cow. Okay, okay. Easy does it. There you go. All the crazies are out right now. Okay, calm it down. Here you go. Oh, your crazy friends. Good job. Sumtail, where'd you go, buddy? Sumtail, Sumtail, this one's for you. Come back, friend. I've always got a peanut for you, Sumtail. It's me and you. It's me and you. Come on, buddy. Jump up here. Come see me. Hi, Sumtail. Hi, friend. There you go. Sumtail, 'cause he's only got some tail. Sumtail. Eating. See there, there it is. There's that some heart. Ah, he looks like a rabbit now. Hey, guys. Let's calm it down. Okay, okay. Sumtail hangs out. Hey, are you wanting a peanut as well? There's so much action. Here, have a peanut. There you go. Is that good stuff, Sumtail? Yeah? Totally, right? Oh, somebody's running up at me. Holy cow. Oh, gosh. Cocktail. Cocktail's being crazy. Oh, my gosh, and they rival each other. They're the only two that are actually named, Cocktail and Sumtail. Hey. Ow, man, you've got some claws. Watch where you put them. This skin of mine is not prepared for your claws. Okay. And another one up in my business. Another one. Okay, I'm out of peanuts and I'm actually afraid. So I'm going to take this inside. Here you go. Here you go. There you go, Sumtail. You just enjoy that. I don't have anything for you right now because I'm on the run.